Hello guys, in today's brief promotion video, we're thrilled to introduce the all-new Fossibot F101 Pro compact rugged smartphone making its way to the market. This model represents a significant upgrade over its predecessor. It shifts from a quad-core to an octa-core processor, offering enhanced performance in both a generous 8GB of RAM and a spacious 128GB of internal memory. Notably, there is a groundbreaking addition in the form of innovative 1.32-inch round secondary display on the rear. The display is packed with the various notifications and information options, featuring an array of customizable screen faces to suit everyone's preferences. Situated alongside this secondary display, you'll find the upgraded camera lenses, delivering improved photographic capabilities for your convenience. The F101 Pro showcases a completely revamped back design as seen in the example with the stylish leather finish, adding a touch of elegance to the device aesthetics. The octa-core processor empowers you to multitasking seamlessly and tackle the latest gaming titles. With a generous 128GB of internal memory, this smartphone caters to the need of the most users with the added flexibility of memory card expansion. Capture your moments in remarkably high resolution with the pro-grade camera system. Whatever your leisure of professional use, the F101 Pro ensures you never miss a detail. Let's not forget the IP68, IP69K waterproof rating. This rugged smartphone is impervious to water, dust and all weather conditions, making it an ideal choice for demanding environments and terrains. In essence, it's a smartphone designed for professionals. During the launch period from November 11th to November 17th, you can make this remarkable smartphone yours for just around $99. Don't miss the chance to visit the sales links provided below this video. Stay tuned because we'll soon have a Fossibot F101 Pro on our channel for our in-depth video review. Until then, keep watching for more exciting updates.